Good evening, Blind Sniper here. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Uh, just a little word of knowledge, just an update, I guess you could say. Uh, my Mark II is set to go for target shooting, changing nothing on it. My 22 and the Ruger Precision is good to go. Not going to change anything on it. And my Ruger Custom Edition that I bought for precision, for competition, is not going to be changed anything on it. The only thing right now I need to work on as far as my 22s go, of course, is my B22. I got a stock coming in for it. There's no need me to do anything to it till I get that stock. And my other rifle, oh Lord, what is it? I'm tired today, hot. But anyway, I got another rifle in there. I'm supposed to be working on it too. I'm waiting for parts to come in for both of them, basically. So what I did, I got out my Ruger Precision 22 Magnum. I hadn't shot it in a long time. It's got the CV Life scope on it. Now, this is not your regular CV Life scope. I paid about $260 something for this scope right here. It's set on 24, perfect glass, no eye shadowing at all. It's got the perfect eye box on it. I mean, this is just a perfect scope right here. It really is. For 50 yards anyway, probably for 100, maybe a little bit further, but I'm shooting at 50. And this is my other baby right here. It's stock. I have not done anything to this but put a scope on it and put a bipod on it. That's it. Nothing else been done to it. And I'm getting fantastic groups on it, but it can be improved. And what I was going to do was put the other 22 rifle I'm talking about was the Bergara. I'm waiting on parts coming for the Bergara. But other things, boy, my mind's all over the place today. I thought I heard somebody call my name, but it's not. But anyway, the groups on this 22 Magnum is perfect. It can have some modifications done to it. I was going to put a muzzle brake on it to stop the jumping a little bit of the front barrel, but I don't have another muzzle brake that would even be worth putting on there. All the rest of my muzzle brakes are made for 6.5s and 30 calibers and all that stuff there. So I'm going to have to get another muzzle brake, because I did put a muzzle brake on the BR or BXR, and it did calm that jumping down a little bit. Well, trying to figure out a way to put some weights on there, it calmed it down, made a drastic difference in the shots. Anyway, this is my Magnum Precision right here, and this is the target I put up. I'm shooting at. This was a group right here. All this different ammo. This was a group right here. See how good they look? Check that group out. Oh my God, all of them are 5 shots. Here's another one right here. Straggler. I might have pulled, I don't know. I know I pulled on this one. Made me mad too, because it was such a great one right there. That was Hornady. This was Hornady. This was Game Point. I'm telling you, it blew my mind. But this here was also Game Point. It blew my mind the way it spread it out, because that was the first one. This is the second one. And then I can't remember what this one was. I had one of them that was a 45. I think this was the 45 right here, the 45 grain, that is. What they call a defense, self-defense. I had bought and had about 5 rounds, so I went ahead and tried them. I'm going to have to get another box. I'm going to have to shoot this gun some more. I hadn't shot it in a long time. But I can't remember which one this one was right here. Anyway, that's all I've been shooting right here right now. And just out of the box, putting a scope on it, a cheap scope, or should I say cheap brand. It's like I said, I paid about $260 for the scope. On sale was $300. It's a CV Life though, 6 by 24 by 50. But it's one of the best ones I've ever come across. It's better than any other 6 by 24 by 50 that I bought. I got Midtons, off-brand. They kind of foggy at 24. This is here set on 24 and it's crystal clear. I've bought all kind, but this was the best one I bought as a 6 by 24 by 50 because they all made me quit buying 6 by 24 by 50s because they really weren't producing anything as far as looking good. So that's why I had to stop buying them. But now I have bought some CV Life cheaper brands. You know, the ones that are like $60, $70, $100 and something. Waste your money. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you need to be around 250 to 300 or 250 to 350 on your scopes, I'm about coming to that conclusion for that to be called a budget scope and to get a decent scope. If you're looking at an air rifle and you don't want to put that much into it, I can understand you getting the cheaper ones. But if you are shooting 22s or even a high-powered rifle for hunting or whatever, I'd be looking at 250 to 350 on your scopes. But anyway, I love this gun, always have. It's just like my Precision 22 LR, same make, same model, everything. Everything's identical except for this one here has it's stock, nothing put on it. Now I did put weights on my 22 LR, which made that one shoot perfect. I got a video of it. I got to put up a bunch of videos. I got about 5 or 6 videos I hadn't even uploaded yet. I need to get them all put up so y'all can see them. One of them I'm asking for help, the Bergara. I need y'all to tell me what I've asked for in the video, if you could give me some information so I can get in the ball game with that thing, because right now I'm sitting on the sideline with the Bergara because I don't know which way to turn. I don't want to invest a lot of money in it to make it better. It's a good shooting rifle now, just like it is, but it just ain't good enough. My standards are high. So for budget guns, they can shoot a little better what they're doing. It's just like this one. You've seen those groups. This gun can do better. And all that is budget ammo. You're not gonna find a premium ammo. And, well, I don't know, you might in Magnum, but I doubt it. But right now, this is what I'm shooting using the 15 round clip. I got a 10 round in the house. I rotated on some of my tests the long magazines with the short magazines to see if it makes a difference, and it does. Believe it or not, it does. It's just a hair difference, but it does make a difference. And also, I tested the Ruger 10 round with the Bergara 10 round in the Bergara rifle, and it makes a difference. I hate to say this, but you know, the truth is the truth. But the Bergara 10 round shot better than the Ruger 10 rounds. I'm not saying as far as function goes, both of them function perfectly. I'm talking about as far as the grouping, because there was nothing I changed on there but the magazines. Used the same ammo, changed magazines, used the same ammo, back to back. It ain't like I shot a whole bunch of them and come back and shot a whole bunch of them. I shot the Ruger magazine, loaded, and then I put the same ammo in the Bergara magazine, loaded, and shot them that way. And then I went back to the Ruger and back to the Bergara, back to the Ruger and back to the Bergara. And it did make a slight difference in it. But I found out too, you know how it sticks and don't want to come out? The more you use it, it seems to be breaking in where it's falling out a little better. But I ordered me some adapters to go on the bottom of them, so you can just reach out there and poke it out if you have to. You don't have to be digging and stuff. But right here is my baby for the day. Let me know what kind of ammo you're shooting, because I'm been shooting Hornady, shot real good. Game Point, shot real good. Maxi Mag, this is the 1875 40 grain Maxi Mag right here now. It shot real good. I got the Maxi-Mag TNT, which is 2200. It shot real good. And I also got the 30 grain polymer tip and the regular CCI. It shot fantastic. These two here are basically the same blood, just two different companies, but both of them done real good. The Hornady did outshoot the CCI by a hair. But like I said, if I make some changes, it all might change. But yeah, I was gonna put a muzzle brake on it, but I changed my mind. That's a 6.5 muzzle brake anyway, and I don't have the right size muzzle brake, and it'll be a waste of my time putting it on there. But this is Blind Sniper. Tell you to stay tuned because he's got some big changes coming up. I'm also going to start doing my filming pretty soon as I'm shooting, and I already got it set up by bipod. The tripod is set up. Got the scope hooked to it, and got the phone adapter hooked to it, so it's all set. But happy week of the 4th. Happy day of the 4th. Not just a week, but happy day of the 4th. Enjoy yourself. I go back to work tomorrow night, so you take care of yourself. Enjoy yourself. Party. Have fun. People blowing horns out through here now, waving. But it's hot out here. I got a hat on with a rag up on it trying to stop the mosquitoes and everything else from bothering me because it's humid. But take care. God bless you. Remember, Blind Sniper loves you. AKA GOAT. Put God above all things. Read Matthew chapter 28, verse 19. We all need to spread the gospel. All right. You take care. I'll talk to you sooner than later. Bye.